Jet skis.
Watercraft.
Jet skis?
Yeah.
Exactly. You won't even know it's them. They'll just be looking like that guy. There's one. This looks like a good one, dude. That's a nice one, Dad.
Yeah.
Nice one on jerkbait, dude. Spitting up crawdads.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, quick release. Quick release. Exactly. I have no problem.
Please don't cross it.
I have no problem with Tim doing this. I told Tim he could do it, but then I want to do this cast.
So did they actually look at real estate while they were there?
Oh yeah.
Oh, they did?
That's that dock, that little pocket right there on the right side of that little dock. That's the one I made it in perfectly.
Did they find anything that they're gonna make an offer on?
Ooh, a little something. There he is. Oh, he came off. There he is.
Oh fuck! Seriously? I was gonna go back and get it. Crossing.
Oh, spitting up crawdads. Oh, quick release. All right, Dad's on a good one right now on the crankbait. Oh, doubled up, Dad. Oh, mine came off.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mine's gonna come off here too in a second. Okay.
Let's get a zoom in on yours.
You're gonna enemy it, right?
Nope.
Woo!
That helped.
Hold up, Dad. There you go.
Not a bad one.
Oh, nice crappie, dude. Crappie on a jerkbait. That's a nice crappie.
Fresh.
There's a nice crappie, Dad. Yeah, in front of the boat, I know. Nice crappie, guys.
Sherry, did you steal that bag back up all the way? Does it dry out real fast? No.
Oh, I just had one right at the boat. Got him! Oh my God! What the? Tim Jr.? You guys didn't know I have a crappie in my tank. Looks just like this guy. Except this one's smaller.
Let me see it. Oh, be careful with him.
I was wondering what swiped it. There's one. Oh, dude, nice fish.
Yeah?
Yeah, nice. Oh,
That's a better crappie.
a big old crappie. That's Slab Daddy right there.
These are nice crappie. And we had them all day too. Really? Just kept making laps. We just kept going back around. They just kept going. Really?
Dude, that's a nice crappie.
They were like that size?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Ty, you want a picture of it?
No, it's okay.
They were that size and bigger?
Yeah.
And you're not even throwing like a little crappie jig or anything.
No.
No. Tim, no?
Dynamic lures right there, guys.
I'll have one in like 20 minutes or so.
Okay, I don't know that I can get up in 20 minutes. But I will for you. Tyler? That's a nice.
Tim, can you get the front? There, I got it. Nice little crappie, guys. Go hi. All right, guys, just out here, braving the storm. Throwing the Excite Chunk Jr. on the Ned rig. Got a dragonfly on there. There's some pressure. There's a fish. Oh yeah. It's a nice fish. Nice smallie. I think it's, oh, coughed up a little craw right there. But what do we got here? We got a little smallie chunky guy. He's baiting on more craw parts. Oh, dude, he has a crawdad in his mouth. Look at that. He has the antenna. See the antenna?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, guys, see, look at that antenna. That was on the Raptor chunk, and he took my claws, and I need a new one now. Just got a bite.
Get fit, Tim?
Better freaking catch him, Tim. You got him? Yeah!
Get it on video? Yeah.
Did you really?
Yeah. I was recording. We were loading back there.
Nice. On the brush hog. That's one bait. That's two baits. Hook.
And that's the hook.
And that's the hook. That's two baits taken off. This could be the beginning of Tim's freaking MTB slam right there. Go.
I got bit right there.
I know, they're always right up on top. This is where I always throw a kite tech.
Maybe I was. Yeah.
It's kite tech, and this is a kite tech in a like a jerkbait spot or topwater in the middle of the day. He has it.
Kind of where?
Little guy. Oh, never mind. It's a tank. It's a tank. The Shire.
You guys right to the top. Hit that little bump.
You got one?
Oh,
Get it.
You got him? No.
I missed it.
Did you get it, Sam?
No. No.
I got one.
Because you talked.
I got one.
Oh yeah. Nice one.
No.
Oh look, Tyler, you're out a little deeper.
I didn't. I was actually on top, Dad, and I just let it sit.
But you're still out 10, 15. A little deeper.
Oh, this one's spitting up shad.
Yeah.
Or bait fish. Oh, look what it is. It's a big old chunky smallie. Dude, that's a football. Right in the bridge of the nose. Look at the belly on him.
Oh yeah, he's fat.
It's all. We're on one, guys. It's a largemouth. It is a largemouth. It's a chunky largemouth, but he ain't a keeper.
That's only the second largemouth I think today, right?
Yeah. No, I caught one. I caught one on the kite tech.
Woo! That aluminum hot.
I caught one on the kite tech, Dad.